Outre, look at y'all trying to take all our money. Oh my goodness. Well, we got another banger, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? We got another winner, y'all. Am I too loud? I don't care. Because I'm excited. Today we are reviewing another wig from our good friends at Outre. I mean, they keep dropping bangers. I can't help it. So today we are talking about this new wig from the Melted Hairline collection. Her name is Lucienne. I think that's how you say it. I don't know how to say these names. I have the color Strawberry Blonde. I'm going to show y'all, like I normally do, how to put on this wig and then talk about it in my final thoughts. If you're new here, I definitely do a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I do some skincare and I do some makeup. So consider staying around for a little bit. Don't know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this so you can continue to see it, and hit that subscribe button, and also turn your notification bells all the way up so you can be notified when I upload, because I am so random. I do not have a schedule, y'all, but you know, when I drop a video, it's like bam, Khrissy dropped the video. Let's jump into it.
Traveling only in my head, from the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions
okay, my
are
friends, so I am finished installing this wig, so let's go ahead and jump into some specs. So this again is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, and I have the color Strawberry Blonde. It is 22 inches. This collection is a beginner friendly collection. You're going to get a standard lace part in the middle. You're going to get a hairline frontal effect where you just get a little bit of piece of lace in the front, and you can pluck it up if you like. You're gonna get 5 inches of deep parting space. You get an elastic band so you can wear this wig glueless if you like. If this wig does come with some baby hairs, I chose to go ahead and brush those back with my hot combs. A redesigned comfort fit ear contour. So this wig, first of all, the cap feels amazing. I had to actually cut the ear tabs off. I feel like we're getting back in to the old Melted Hairline bigger caps. I must say that the cap feels really good. I went in with the elastic band because I wanted to see if the wig would be too tight, because I have headache issues, and it's good for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some cons and then wrap it up with some pros and wrap this video on up. So first of all, I started filming this wig and I went ahead and I did pluck the hairline. It wasn't too bad, but because I'm used to plucking wigs, I've said it plenty of times before, I go ahead and pluck this wig. Now I'm a little bit upset about that, because as a beginner, I'm getting a lot in my comments that some people just aren't comfortable plucking wigs. But if you're not comfortable, you can definitely check this video out right here, and it is a tutorial of how to pluck a synthetic wig, so that will help. But the reason I'm upset is because I was supposed to take my kids to a birthday party. This was supposed to be a quick, easy install, and granted, it didn't take much to install this wig, but because I had to go in and pluck and customize and do all that stuff, my husband had to take the kids. I'm telling all this stuff. Y'all like, I'm here for the wig. I ain't here for all that information. But he had to take the kids to the birthday party, so I ran out of time because I had to customize it. So Outre, sometimes we don't have time to be tweezing up no hairlines. So yeah, that's my only like issue with this wig as far as cons go. But it wasn't too bad, but I did tweeze it up, y'all, and it looks pretty good. Now this color is definitely looking like my complexion, so it's kind of hard to see. So honestly, you probably could get away with not even doing all that, but y'all know me. I just want to be a little bit extra and a little bit more slayed. So do it if you're comfortable, but if you're not, do not do it. It's fine. You don't have to do it. Now I picked this wig because I recently... Is this the squeaky chair? Oh my goodness. I picked the squeaky chair. I'll be back. That's better, y'all. I got two chairs that I like to film with, and the other one is mad squeaky. But anyway, so this chair is better. So I recently did film Outre Marissa. If you haven't seen that review, check it out right here. I picked this wig because I was like, you know what? This one is from the Melted Hairline. That one is from the Perfect Hairline collection. This one is more like just the lace in the front versus all that parting space in the Perfect Hairline collection. And I wanted to see the difference because they kind of look similar, and honestly I'm kind of getting the same vibes. Now the difference between the two wigs is this one is not a human hair blend, y'all, and it's $20 cheaper. It's $20 cheaper for a reason, because you're, one, not getting all of that parting space, and two, this is not a human hair blend, okay? So keep that in mind. Now, with that said, I still like this wig. Now, I'm really hesitant with like silky straight wigs, but I must say that I think Outre, y'all listening to these reviews, huh? I see y'all. So this is a silky straight wig, y'all, but it's not that old school silky straight Outre that we know. Outre is getting better with their fibers. This fiber feels good. This fiber feels really good, y'all. Now, it's not the same texture as Outre Marissa. That one was more of a light yaki silky. This one still has like a slight, like a dash a yaki, but it's silky. But the good part is that, honestly, y'all, I ain't had to put no serum. I ain't had to put no wig spray. I ain't had to put nothing on this wig. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look what she's doing. I am gliding, y'all. I am gliding my fingers through this wig. Now, it is synthetic. Is it going to last like that forever? No. But I do like the fact that it's not really tangling like that. And I used to shy away from synthetic silky straight wigs because they tangled so bad. Oh my God, they tangled so bad. But this feels good, y'all. Also, I love the fact that this wig didn't require like a lot of heat. It was really flat at the top. Like, I was shocked, and I have like straight back braids going back, but this wig was really, really easy to install outside of the plucking. It is 22 inches, so it's more of an everyday length. This is what the length is looking like. This is all the hair to the front, and in the back, this is what it's looking like. As far as the density goes, it is more on the thinner side, but it's lightweight. It's not too thick at all. And it might be too thin for some people, but this is the density. But I feel like this is a good everyday density. I am considering going back and getting this wig in a natural color. And I don't like silky straight wigs. I do not like silky straight synthetic wigs. But this one I would go back and get in multiple colors, hands down. So I feel like this is a good alternative to Marissa if that one was too pricey for you. Giving me more of like a Lynette, a longer Lynette. You're not going to get all those layers in here, but it's a longer lob. And I like it, y'all. I really like this wig. So I did go in with my adhesive. I did go in with the black can because, like I told y'all, I thought I was going to a birthday party. I thought I was going to have to wear this wig all day. And I wanted the wig to last. And y'all know that black adhesive. Your wig ain't going nowhere with that black adhesive. But I like this wig. I really like this wig. Oh, Outre, why you doing this to my heart? They just be listening and giving us what we want, surprising us. I love this color. I always wanted to try strawberry blonde. It's so pretty. It's like, it's different. It is so pretty. The strawberry blonde does have some dimensions in here as well. You are getting like a little bit of streaks of different colors in here. So you're getting brown with the gold and the amber. So it's a lot of dimensions in here, even though it looks like one color. And I really like this color. Like, this is a really pretty color. As far as shedding goes, because I did tweeze up this hairline a little bit, I was getting some strands, but I'm not getting much strands either. Like, okay. I don't have any issues with this wig. I think this wig is very pretty if this is the style you're looking for. I do like her, and I'm definitely gonna go back in and get some other colors because I like her. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. I'm debating if I want to sell this wig because it's so pretty, but to me it's like, what am I gonna do with this color? But I don't know, this is cute. I don't have anything else to say about this wig except that hairline, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not really as dense as the last one that I reviewed, that thicker one. I think it's not like Carmina, but that texture, again, remember, it was thicker, so maybe that hairline was a little bit different. It's really pretty. I like it. But all my thick, yucky people, don't come this way because this ain't for you. It's silky, y'all. It's silky, but it's a nice silky. It's nice. If you guys like my lip combo, you know I try to tell you if I can remember. I am wearing this Juvia's Place Me mixed with a little bit of Juvia's Place Brownie liner and a little bit of Cis Gloss on top. I did a Juvia's Place lip swatch video. It's up here of the nudes from Juvia's Place if you guys are interested in that. And my eyes, these are just for Kara because y'all be asking me like 2 months later and I don't be remembering nothing. Thanks again to Outre for sending over this wig. I really do appreciate it. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop me some comments down below. Talk to me. Let me know. Do you like this color? Do you like this style? Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.
Goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind. It's just like